If Rocket tab ads have taken over your Firefox browser, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to remove Rocket tab ads manually in 3 simple steps and get your browser back to normal. This is a safe, beginner-friendly cleanup method that helps remove the adware from your computer, remove the browser extension, and reset Firefox so any leftover changes are cleared out. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, we'll uninstall the Rocket tab app from your computer. Adware often hides as a normal program, so the first place to check is your installed apps list. On a Windows PC, click the Start menu and type Control Panel. Open Control Panel, then click Programs and Features, or if you see it, choose Uninstall a program. Now take a slow look through the list of installed programs. Search for Rocket tab first, but also keep an eye out for anything suspicious, unfamiliar, or something you do not remember installing. If you spot Rocket tab, right-click it and choose Uninstall. Follow any prompts that appear and complete the removal process. If there are any other suspicious programs that look related or clearly unwanted, remove those as well. Once the app is removed, the next step is to get rid of the Rocket tab browser extension inside Firefox. This part is important because even if the program is gone, the extension can still keep showing ads or redirecting your browser. Open Firefox, then click the 3-line menu in the top right corner. From there, scroll down and select Extensions and Themes. In the left or main area, click Extensions. Now look for Rocket tab in the list. When you find it, click Remove. If Firefox asks you to confirm, approve the removal. This will disconnect the extension from your browser and help stop the unwanted ads from continuing. Now for the final step, we're going to reset Firefox to clear out leftover changes. This is a very useful cleanup step because Adware can sometimes adjust browser settings, search preferences, or other hidden options. To do this, click the 3 lines again, then go to Help and select More Troubleshooting Information. On that page, look for the option that says Refresh Firefox. Click it, then confirm the refresh when prompted. Firefox will restore important browser settings to default while keeping the essentials you need. After it finishes, reopen Firefox and check that the Rocket tab ads are gone. After these 3 steps, your system should be much cleaner and your Firefox browser should be back to a normal browsing experience. If the ads are still showing, double check your installed programs, extensions, and browser settings to make sure nothing was missed. And remember, if this tutorial helped you, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy step-by-step fixes just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.